Welcome to Wirepips FS Academy. I'm Mark and I'm a top trainer on Wirepips FS with a track record on myfacebook.com, funded by multiple firms. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for high quality educational videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight onto the chart. Alright guys, this is my analysis on US30. As you can see here on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend. Alright, so we can see that the market is quite pushing up. Okay, so we've got an imbalance here, we have this imbalance here, we have this imbalance here, we have this imbalance, we have this order block here. Okay, so this is an order block and we have this imbalance too. So, but I don't really do much on the weekly time frame. I want to be paying attention to what price is doing at this zone, right? I want to be paying attention to the current price action. So I'll be mapping out my previous week high and low because that is where the current liquidity is resting. All right. So this is my previous week low here, and this is my previous week high. Okay. So I want to be paying attention to this zone now. I'll be going down to the daily time frame. Okay, so here on the daily time frame, I have to make this visible for the daily time frame. And 1 hour. Alright, so here on the daily time frame, let's go back to the weekly and make this visible. Okay. Okay, here on the daily time frame, we can clearly see this is our previous week range. This is our previous week high here, and this is our previous week low here. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we have this order block here on the daily time frame, which price is testing now and rejecting. Okay, so I want to map this order block from the opening and the low of the candle. So now I'll be going down to the 1 hour time frame and I'll be mapping out my previous day high and low on the 1 hour time frame. So this is our 1 hour time frame. I want to be mapping out day high and low, right? So when you go to your settings here and click on season breaks, right? This is season breaks that will indicate the opening of the day to the closing of the previous day. So this is my previous day low here, and this is my previous day high, which the market has taken out already. All right, the market has swept the liquidity resting above this zone. All right, so let me change the color of this previous day high so you can see. Okay, I'll make it green or red. Let me make it red so you can. No, it's similar. I'm making it green. Right, so the market has taken the liquidity resting above this high here, and the market has also taken the liquidity resting below this low, which is our previous day low. Okay, so we've mapped out this. So what can we see here? We can clearly see that the market swapped the liquidity resting above this high, which is the previous day high and the previous week high here. So the market has swapped it. That's what led to this sell here. We got the supply zone, which the market started selling. This is the supply zone. This is the zone that supplied this sell. All right. So we have the supply zone there. We've got some imbalance here. Yeah, I have this imbalance, and the market is about rebalancing this zone. Okay. So now, what will we be doing? Currently, we are in New York section. Right. I've got this indicator that assists me to map out my previous section highs and lows. This is my Asians low here, got cleared here. This is my London low, got cleared, and this is my London high here. So we have this New York section that just started. So New York section started. Now they are pushing up, but I feel this push up is to rebalance the zone If the market will continue to sell, when the market gets to this level, price will return back, price will reverse back and keep selling. But if this market has reversed, the market is going to take this high here. That is to say, the market has grabbed some liquidity resting below all these lows, and the market has reversed to come push up. But I anticipate that the market will get to a certain level, maybe this level or this level here, get to this level and keep pushing down for the weekly time frame and the daily time frame retracements. So I anticipate the market will push up to a certain level and keep going down to this demand level on the daily time frame. So the way which I'll be approaching the market now is to calm down and wait for price action. I want to see what price is doing, and that will determine what I will react to. So we are currently on New York section now, and price is repricing, right? The price is rebalancing some zones that has an imbalance. Like we have an imbalance here, we have an imbalance, so price is pushing up. Okay, so this is our previous day high here, and this is our previous day low. But the market has grabbed the liquidity resting above these two zones. So now we want to see what the market is doing on the New York section, right? And currently we're in the New York section, so we want to see what price we do now. That will determine the approach and what I'm gonna do. But on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, this sell to me is still a retracement until I get a candlestick close below this low. That is when I can say this is a market structure shift for me. If this doesn't occur on the daily time frame, there is no market structure shift for me. So I want to see this mark candlestick get here and keep pushing up. Maybe the next day candle will reverse from here, or this candlestick gets to this zone, close below this zone. That is when I will confirm, yeah, there's a market structure shift on daily time frame. So the market has reversed. So currently we are now in a bearish trend, but as it stands now, we are still in a bullish trend. When the market gets to this level, I expect to see the market push up a bit to keep pushing up to maintain the bullish trend. All right. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see what the market is doing here. This is actually the zone that supplied this sell. We've got this previous day low, which the market has taken, and this happens to be a market structure shift on the 4-hour time frame. So these are levels you should be paying attention to. I know there is a demand level here on the 4-hour time frame. There's a demand level here, but I don't want to be paying attention to all these things. There's a demand level which the market has tested, and this is what led to this buy. But I want to be paying attention to the higher time frame price action. So the higher time frame is telling us that the market has made an impulsive move. We expect a retracement, right? So this is just it. This is what I can clearly see on the higher time frame. We have an impulsive move, expect a retracement to maintain the impulsive move. But if the market fails to respect this zone and break this low, I would anticipate that the market has shifted in market structure. So I will start to look for sells than buys. See you guys next time. Peace out there.